Hey, congratulations, you did the right thing clicking on the link. Now, if you want to do yourself a favor, watch the rest of the videos. Once you finish watching the rest of the videos, go buy yourself a kettlebell and meet me Facebook Live weekday mornings, 6 a.m. for the Swingers Club. There it is. Hey guys, today we're going to start building the Turkish getup. I look at the Turkish getup as a building a structure of skeletal system, piece by piece, underneath the weight, to bring it from the ground up to above your head in a lockout position. And this is a fascinating exercise. It's a very old exercise, and it's a whole strength and conditioning workout and functional movement test in itself. So it's going to take a while. This is the first of several videos to give the pieces of how this works, because we really want to get this. Make sure you've already watched the previous videos, the kettlebell basics, so that you understand these some of the basic concepts first. Now, first thing we're going to work on is seating the shoulder during the Turkish getup. Both shoulders need to be seated during the entire process. So that's going to be a given. The way I want you to work on that right now is hold one arm out in front of you, make a fist, bring your arm to full lockout, seat the shoulder. Now take the other hand, put it on your upper arm, and you're going to rotate the radius around the ulna a little bit here, and make sure that the upper arm does not rotate. The rotator cuff, not only does it hold the humerus, head of the humerus into the glenoid fossa, but it also is responsible for the rotation of the arm, hence rotator cuff. So in any case, you're going to seat the shoulder, firing all four muscles of the rotator cuff, so now it's immobile. You won't be able to articulate it. So now when you do the pronation and supination of the radius around the ulna, it should hold perfectly still up here. This is what you're looking for. Now, kettlebell starts on the ground, and you're going to be beside it, lying down. About the height of your chest is the center of the kettlebell handle. You're going to take the hand closest to it and you're going to under grip it such that your pinky is to the middle of the handle. You're going to roll your entire body towards it. Seat both shoulders, over grip with the other hand, and you're going to use your body weight to shift yourself back, propping the kettlebell up onto your elbow. So now the center of gravity of this exits your elbow. Here you can find the rotation, the radius around the ulna. This is an excellent way to do this exercise just by itself. Now the next thing you're going to do is you're going to take the thumb of the other hand and you're going to go under, roll back, and now roll all the way to your back, bringing it to the center and push it to the ceiling with two hands. Make sure you seat this shoulder. There it is. Check to make sure your wrist is not bending back. Take the other hand, place it halfway so it's at 45 degrees. You're going to whatever hand the kettlebell is in, that knee is going to be bent. I have it in my left hand, so my left knee is bent. My right leg is going to be out straight. Now at this point, these muscles are all fired and holding still. As soon as I push into this foot and roll to the opposite shoulder, these muscles have to change position to compensate. I'm going to lower myself back down. Reach for the sky by pushing into the leg. And bring it back down. Now take the other hand under the handle, so now you have it with two hands. Straight to your center. Now elbow to the floor, roll back, set it down. Now you can grab the kettlebell and bring it around your head. Let's do that on the other side. Under grip the kettlebell, pinky to the middle of the handle. Over grip with the other hand as you roll towards it. Roll towards your back. Prop it on the elbow. Couple of rotations so you can really find this piece. Thumb under the handle. Bring it to your center and push to the ceiling. Make sure your wrist is straight in your right hand. Left hand is halfway between. So there's the shoulder, it would be out here. So my body is 90 degrees, go at 45 degrees. Since the kettlebell's in my right hand, my right leg goes to the floor. Push into the foot. Keep your shoulders seated as you roll. And now if you draw a line through the center of gravity, it goes down through my arm and exits the opposite shoulder. Roll back to your back. Thumb underneath. Pull the kettlebell towards you. Roll to your side. Set it down. You have to have respect for the kettlebell through the entire exercise. Never take your eyes off of it, particularly when it's over your head. You have to keep your eyes on it so that you have information about where that kettlebell is. Don't rely on your don't rely on your proprioception right now at first. Use your eyes. Okay, so next class we'll take it a little bit higher. Congratulations on watching to the end. Do that with the rest of the videos and you might just get your shit together. You know, nobody gets out of here alive, but the kettlebells are like the fountain of fucking youth, man. If you do this stuff regularly, it will change your life. So be sure to subscribe to the channel, comment below, make sure you turn notifications on, and share this on your page, man. Thanks.